Hungani and Stephanie Ndlovu have called it quits, but Sanibomgosi after 6 years of marriage. Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. But Sanibomgosi ayibandla isiphithiphithi ngaphandle. Abanye bayafisa ukungena, abanye abakulangazeleli neze, abanye bafisa ukuphuma. Isiphithiphithi iwishiwishi nje inxakanxaka into yomshado. Bathandi bomgosi, uStephanie and Hungani, they recently shared that they are breaking up. Basically, they are divorcing. Bathandi bomgosi, which is indeed a shock because their friends, they were definitely not expecting this. The pair share the knot, or rather they tied the knot 6 years back, Bathandi bomgosi, during a private function whereby they invited people that were closer to them, and then they were later on blessed with a beautiful baby girl. They used to share their daily routine and lives on YouTube and also on their Instagram pages, Bathandi bomgosi, and let me tell you, whatever that they were posting there, it was convincing enough for us to believe that they were indeed happy. But then, plot twist, allegedly, Bathandi bomgosi, Stephanie is the one who filed for divorce because baby girl, allegedly, she is tired of infidelity. Umjolo Nkosi yami. Woo! Umjolo, she is tired of infidelity. Bathandi bomgosi, it is stated allegedly that the divorce talks, they started last year, and we are all not aware because obviously we are not expecting these two to actually divorce, right? So perhaps we thought that they just decided to take some time off on their social media platforms from posting their day-to-day lives. Gantu, sad they are busy cooking on how they're going to tell the public that it is over. Sekuphelile. This is indeed a shock, but I wonder what is happening emshado yasemzansi, more especially with celebrities. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.